you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a Valentine's door decor piece. Here we're using 10-inch mesh cut into 18-inch strips, and we're going to cruffle it. It's a great technique actually. I want to take this opportunity to issue a warm welcome to our returning family members and a huge thank you to our visitors for stopping by and visiting with us today. I hope you are so wowed by what we do here on the channel that you will consider becoming a part of our family. We'd love to have you. So let's continue. By the way, you guys, all materials can be purchased from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the deco mesh, and that can be purchased at any craft store, including Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Joann's. Okay, so let's add our show-stopping little centerpiece into here. The middle, I'm sorry, lost my train of thought. But yeah, this is the Dollar Tree foam heart with the vase filler, and we're going to add that into the middle of our decor piece here. And I'll be putting this piece on a mirror in my home, and I'll show you that in my Valentine's decor tour that I'll do later on. Okay, so thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.